Perched on a hill just 300 meters from the Okinawan shoreline, the one-legged house by IGArchitects stands as a bold architectural experiment. From this elevated position, the home embraces uninterrupted views of the ocean while welcoming the constant flow of coastal winds, creating a living experience that is as much about openness as it is about shelter. At first glance, the house appears to balance on a single leg. Like an umbrella spread open, its entire roof and walls extend outward from one central column. This structural approach not only creates a striking visual impression but also serves a functional purpose, shielding the interior from the harsh summer sun and preserving privacy, while allowing ocean breezes to naturally ventilate the space. The walls are built from glass, a material chosen for its durability against Okinawa's challenging climate. Unlike wood or metal, glass does not age in the same way, making it a reliable choice for long-term resilience. Combined with the minimal foundation and reduced structural cost of building around just one column, the result is an architecture that feels both light and enduring. Inside, the layout is equally daring. A single column dominates the space, yet instead of obstructing, it creates depth and the illusion of further rooms beyond. With only concrete and wood as its main materials, the architects played with ceiling heights and wall scales to craft a flexible interior, one that adapts easily to changing needs over time. Although the form may appear unusual, it emerges directly from the realities of its context. The client wished for a space that could be enjoyed freely, without constraints. The environment demanded natural cooling and solar protection. And the budget required a structure that was simple yet robust. The one-legged house brings all of these demands together in one coherent design. At its core, this project explores the idea of designing with gravity. By minimizing the area that touches the ground and lifting the massive roof and walls above it, the home feels both anchored and weightless. It responds not just to structural necessity but also to its relationship with nature, comfort, and cost efficiency. Ultimately, the one-legged house is more than a residence, it is an architectural statement. It demonstrates how creativity can transform limitations into opportunities, using form, material, and scale to redefine the boundaries between structure and space. What might look like an eccentric experiment is, in fact, a carefully tuned response to climate, lifestyle, and place.